We are still inside PPA, and this is one of a farmer's okra farm. And look at it, wow. We are in the dry season, but yet still this okra looks fresh. And look at it, some are even about maturing. Some are even about maturing. Very soon, we are going to get a harvest of this. Look at it. We are in the dry season, but still, it still look younger and fresher. Wow, the farmer really has done well, because we don't have irrigation projects over here, but then the farmers, their own traditional method help them to reach this far. So I think the farmer deserves an accolade. We don't know his whereabouts, but then he has really done well. I'll look for him and learn more from, inquire more from him. Yeah, because this dry season, the okra cannot survive. But then, yes, he has proved beyond reasonable doubt that yeah, it can survive.